Get in between, buddy.
Come back. Establish grips, Shawn. Collar, use the gi. Thank you.
Focus. All right, you know this. Take your hands back. He keeps opening that guard, DJ. I want you to flatten it down.
Don't burn your grips out, you're fine.
DJ, posture up. Posture up, get out of there. Take those grips away. He doesn't want your weight on him.
Yeah, he does actually. Yep.
All right, so you know this. Come on. Put your hands to the belt. Posture up.
1 minute down, relax.
It's Hail Mary stuff. Come on. There's nothing there. It's just gassing himself. DJ, left hand, open up that leg.
Collar sleeve.
Take your left hand, open up that leg.
All right, that's a minute. That's a minute and a half down.
Reset and do it again.
Shawn,
Posture up, grip.
cross sleeve, cross grip the sleeve, opposite wrist,
Hand, open the leg.
opposite sleeve, hand opposite sleeve, hand to opposite sleeve. Yeah. Once you control the posture, yeah. Adjust him, adjust. Yeah. You're fine. That's
Hand up, open that leg.
3 minutes left. Relax. Yeah. Yeah. You're fine. Yep, relaxed. Yep. Just, yep, keep feeding. Keep feeding. Feed the big man. There we go. 2:30. Relax, wait for it. Yeah, like I said, he's gonna give it to you, I promise. They all do.
DJ, you can stand up and put your legs down. Come on, you got a minute 30, man. I'm good at days.
Minute 26. Spider. All right, Spider, guard it. Be ready to transition. You know the game. Yep. His hips are high. Wait for it. Open up out the back door. Open up and out the back door. Now, Shawn. 1 minute left.
40 seconds, Dave. Open that guard and pin the leg.
Hip up, pull it across. One movement. Explosive. 30 seconds. Go. Opa.
20 seconds, Dave.
Opa. Hip up and bring it across. Yep. Again, do it again. 17 seconds. You're fine. Take your time. Open and go for it. Yep. Go. Shrimp. Shrimp towards me. Come this way. Yep. Oh, tap. Go. Time.
Attacking the submission. Excellent.
Good job.
On the bell, too.
Nice job, Shawn.